A direct flight route to London and Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shanxi province, resumed on Sunday, after a 3-year hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The first flight took off from Heathrow Airport on Sunday evening.
To Xi'an to visit family, my wife's family. It's much easier, especially traveling with children and such. My son is almost 3.5, so it's the first time for him.
The intercontinental route, operated by China's Tianjin Airlines, has transported more than 75,000 passengers since its launch in May 2018. With the resumption of the route, the airline has also launched connecting flights from over 50 domestic airports via Xi'an to London, providing passengers from all over China with more options.
It's with great pleasure that we can offer this opportunity to come to the UK, to offer the Chinese people that opportunity to come to London and strengthen those opportunities to travel between the two countries, especially with the routes to Xi'an and Chongqing.
Since August 2022, direct passenger flights between China and the UK have resumed as China lifted more travel restrictions, following the optimization of its COVID-19 response. Passengers are no longer required to take COVID-19 tests when traveling to the UK from the Chinese mainland, starting from April the 5th.